All right, all right, all right. We're live. Live, coming back at ya. Yup. Generational breaks. We got the 2021 Donruss football. And what we're looking at is 3 megas and 6 cellos. So it should be a quickie but a goodie. You know what I'm saying? I don't care who you are. It's going to be fun. My name's Tommy Ears, coming at you from Iowa. Hey, what's up, Mike? We got 2 teams available, the Giants and the Rams. So far, they're not paid. I don't know. Let's see, what was it from? Let's see, Mike. I'm going to refresh it. It is 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So it is time for the break to go. Let me give this just a minute here, Mike, because the person who has the Giants also has already paid for another team. Okay, so the Giants are unpaid. We're going to give that a minute, but the Rams are available for $4. So if anybody wants the Rams, just comment. And they're Rams, and you can have them. How's it going, Daniel? All right, so the first person that I see that commented Rams is Mike Truman, so congratulations, Mike. Pretty sure you, but let's see if you can get the Giants too. Let's see what happens here. Let's give it another 1 American minute, and I'll refresh the eBay, and if they've not paid, then we'll put her up for auction. But yeah, John Culp, if you're on the video, your Giants team is not paid. Excuse me. But I do have you for the Lions. So, what is, but we'll give it another 1 minute, about another 30 seconds, and then we'll just go ahead and sell the Giants as well. Alright, so let's begin the Giants bidding. What did you say, Mike? $5? What's up, Daniel? Yeah. Oh, did you want in on that? Yeah. Yeah. So let's do the Giants now. So let's begin the bidding at $5. Anybody want to go more than 5 on the Giants? So it looks like I'll type that in there as well. All right, Daniel's going 6. All right, cool, cool. All right. All right. Anybody else want to go more than $6 American on the Giants? Giants are unpaid. Mike Truman stepping in with one more American dollar. This is going to get annoying at some point. Let's go. Let's go. So, yeah. At any point, if either one of you guys are out, just type in "I'm out." Excuse me. But otherwise, looks like Mike's got it for 7. Excuse me. Anybody want to go more than $7 American? And I really don't care. And I go on once. And I go on twice. All right. Mike Truman's got it for $7. Whoever's got to be quicker than that. You got to be quicker than that. All right. So, Mike, you got both those teams. All right. Cool. Thank you, Daniel. So let's see here. Let me refresh. Okay, so yeah, he didn't pay. So let's cancel that. Okay. All right, so Mike got the Giants and the Rams. Let me notate that. Giants, Mike Truman, and the Rams. Thank you, Mike. I just got the payment. And I seen you had another team too. My guess is the Browns, but I'll have to do the lineup here to tell. So thank you very much, Mike. So, all right, that helps out, guys. So now we can jump right into the starting lineup. And let's get spicy. Let's have fun, guys. Should be quick and painless. You know what I'm saying? It's only... Of course, it's Donruss, so there's got to be 82,000 cards in each one of these things. But let's have some fun. So, Mike Truman got the Giants and the Rams. Let's see here. The remainder of the starting lineup. All right, Spencer Neski, Arizona Cardinals, Ravens, and Packers. Jason Van Fossen, Chiefs, Chargers, Saints, and the Jets. James Boyette, you've got the Texans and the Niners. Ryan Thompson, you've got a nice lineup here. You've got the Falcons, the Bengals, Broncos, Steelers, and the Bucks. Good luck to you. Dan Mosney, you have the Titans and the Washington. Gregory Dunigan, you've got, let's see here, the Dolphins, the Seahawks, and the Panthers. So good luck to you. Todd Helsley, you've got the Eagles. Duke Parker, the Patriots. Timothy Yearwood, the Raiders. Ryan Collins has the Jaguars. Andrew Onstadt, the Colts. John Culp, Lions. Joseph George, Cowboys. And there he goes, Mike Truman with his home squad, the Cleveland Browns. Still going for that Baker Mayfield downtown? It's possible, it's possible. Daryl Sullivan has the Bears. Gilbert Gagne. Can't tell if I'm saying that right or not. I remember a baseball player with that last name. How is it pronounced? Greg Gagne. Yeah, I think it was Gagne. Anyways, you got the Bills. And that there is the starting lineup, kids. Know what I'm saying? Hey, what? Well, which way was it, though? Was it the Gagne? Because that's how it felt like it should have been said. But then I felt like there was a baseball player. But he, maybe he just didn't pronounce it right. But, cool. Gagne. Makes me feel good. I used to do a lot of telephone sales, so I would have to read a lot of people's names all the time. We would do, like, fundraising for the firefighters. Ah, okay. Okay. Ah, okay, Joe Bear. Okay, cool. Instead of Gilbert. Haha. That's interesting how that works. That's cool. Yeah, my name generally isn't like that. People just look at it and they're like, oh, your name's Tommy. But yeah, that is neat how that works. Alright, kids. Let's have some fun. We got the starting lineup out. I'm just going to go ahead and crack on in, because that's how we do it. Jill Bear. I see. Jill Bear. Yeah. Well, that makes more sense, yeah. So the G is J sound. Excuse me. Alright, I'm 1 for 1 with throwing my packs in the garbage. And I'm not reading all these base cards. I don't care who you are, you know what I'm saying? But we're just going to fling on through them like it ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. And I'm going to do my best to pull the greatest and best cards for everybody. The little football, my golf ball. Isn't that cool? Ah, what's up, Matt Frank? You steal my little football? Who is that? Okay, well, let's get, that was all the base cards. Let's get some rookies. We got Kelvin Joseph for the Cowboys. Zaven Collins, Cardinals. Amir Smith-Marset. This is for my son TJ. He got the Vikings. I forgot to announce that, but TJ's got the Vikings. Darius Slayton, got a blue. Michael Thomas, blue. Alejandro Villanueva, blue. And then back-to-back Steelers. There we go, Steelers. Najee Harris coming at ya. Blue press proof. Looking all nice. Dominators, Aaron Donald. So we got one good one out of there, you know what I'm saying? Let me get this box and secure the cards. We do have, guys, the super mother load of Donruss Holiday coming. We got a lot of blasters, and then we also have Absolute Football on deck. We got blasters of that as well. So stop on back. And then basketball cards. We got a case of Optic NBA basketball cards as well. So check it. You know what I'm saying? Stop on back. We'll be doing that next weekend and stuff. Tomorrow we are doing Topps Chrome Baseball. That's going to be fun. I don't care who you are. Lamar Jackson's image swap card is so funny. All right, Ravens, you got a Rashad Bateman. Pete Werner, Saints. Trey Sermon, Niners. We got some blue cards. Miles Sanders. Mike Vrabel coming at ya. Yeah, there you go, Titans. What's up now? Yeah. Oh, sweet. And we did get a Tom Brady blue press proof. There you go, Bucks. Jerish Palmer, Catches. And Chase Claypool, highlights. Sweet. Alright. And just like we put in the description, we will sleeve everything that's not a base card, and then the hits go into top loaders. Since it's Saturday, these will get shipped out on Monday. Hopefully you guys like that. I've been, I break with other breakers, myself, just to participate, and nobody ships as fast as we do. Everybody takes their sweet, precious time, so that annoys me, so I don't do that. There you go, Chiefs, Nick Bolton. Pat Freiermuth. There you go, Steelers. I like that guy. And Kwity Paye for the Colts. James White, blue. J.J. Watt, blue. Dak Prescott, blue. And Dwayne Eskridge. We did get a portrait of Tutu Atwell for the Rams. There you go, Mike. I don't know much about him. Kid Bird. But I know his name is Tutu. I'm trying to... just trying to think. Why? Why is he named Tutu? I'm going to have to Google that because it just hurts. I can't grasp it. I just don't understand it. Yeah, right? Michael Tickett. I mean, who knows why he's Tutu, but I mean, it's like Brady got a Brady on the Pats. Daz Newsome, Jerish Palmer, and Hunter Long are the rookies in this sweet Cello. Boogie Basham, blue. Tariq Cohen. Matt Stafford, blue. Baker Mayfield. Image swap. Photo swap. Jarrett Patterson, blue. For our Washington. All-time Gridiron Kings. Troy Aikman. Katy Perry. Getting up into Cello number 4. Sound effects are mandatory. The Hawkeyes put the smackdown on Northwestern today. So for any of you Northwestern fans out there, you lost. Hawkeyes win. Yeah. It felt fantastic. Simi Fehoko. Fehok that. Cowboys. Christian Barmore. Pats. Luke Farrell. Jaguars. Rashad Bateman. Ravens. I think they gave us an extra rookie. Julian Edelman. Chase Young, blue. Tua Tagovailoa. Image swap, blue. Greg Rousseau. There you go, Mafia. There you go, Bills. Rookie. Press proof. Mahomes. 91 Donruss throwback. Kid Departed. Chiefs went from hero to zero right quick. Not that they're zero, but they're not doing the greatest. Of course, my team's the Bears, so I shouldn't really say much. And I like the Falcons. So. Which I think should get OBJ, by the way, the Falcons. I don't know. He'd be all right on the Bears, too, I suppose. Either team should get OBJ. All right, let's see what our rookies are. Kylan Hill, Packers. Justin Fields, speaking of Bears, coming at ya. Da Bears. Represent. Oh, yeah. Feels good. Frank Darby. Blue Baker Mayfield. There you go. Johnny Hecker. Blue. Devontae Adams, blue. Kwity Paye, blue. Kyle Pitts. Portrait. There we go, Falcons. Let's do the spice. I like that. I don't think I've ever seen that. That's so sweet. I mean, you know, it's not $1 million or anything, but I like it. I collect Kyle Pitts. I don't think I have this. Dude, it's good. Nice pack there. Definitely our best pack so far. Well, that was our last solo. So. Excuse me. All right. So that there is the Cellos. Nice last cello to save us there. Otherwise, the Cellos would have been really boop boop. Okay. Let's put that on there. Alright. Here we go. So let's get up in these megas, shall we? In the megas, we're looking for ultra rare optic rated rookie preview pinks. 56 cards per box, and 1 autograph per box on average. We got the Revolution inserts, including Liftoff, Vortex, and more. So let's see what we're going to do here. Now we got 3 of these. So let's jump on there. Mike wants the downtown. I mean, so just, you know, just to get that out of the way, in case anyone needed to know. That's definitely what Mike's going for here. So let's see what we got. And Mike's got several teams to do the downtown, so I'm feeling good about it. All right, first pack out of the megas. We got a pink in here. Got a Herbie second year. Mac Jones Revolution. There we go, Pats. What's up now? Ooh. Spicy. Not numbered. Ooh, that's spice. DK, Power Formulas. And the pink is for the Jets, but it's Elijah Vera Tucker. There you go. And rated rookie Micah Parsons for the Cowboys. Katie Purdy. That's a doozy. That's sweet. Who's next? Baker Mayfield. Leading out the mega. McCaffrey, Gridiron Kings. Jacob Harris. There you go. Rams. Pink. Mike. Optic. Not too sure who that is, but Jalen Darden. Bucks. I know he plays, but nothing spectacular yet out of Jalen Darden. Elijah, huh, Jason? All right, cool. Getting warmed up, right? I mean, he's pretty good. But I don't think his values are up there, is all I was saying. Dallas Goedert's got the bronze press proof. Road to the Super Bowl, Mahomes. We got a Tyson Campbell pink optic for the Jaguars. This guy's good. Adafe Owe, Ravens. There you go. Kitty Purdy. This guy's beast. Derrick Henry downtown ought to do it. If I pull any downtown, I'm just going to be damn excited, is just all there is to it. So hopefully you're all prepared for that. Yes, be patient, young ones. AD, all day coming at you. Bronze press proof. Of course, recently signed with the Titans because of stiff arm Henry's injury. He's going to step in and see what he can do. I'm excited. He's like a number 8 now, I think, on the Titans. I didn't know if he was even going to play this year. I thought that was messed up how he was unsigned for so long. Dude is in shape. I don't care how old he is. Well, how old is he? 82 years old? He's still going to run over somebody. All right. Christian McCaffrey. Dominators. Landon Dickerson is the pink. Amari Rodgers. Packers. It seems like we've gotten a pink in every pack, if I'm not mistaken. At least most packs. I haven't really paid attention to every single one, I suppose. Somebody probably has. Seems like we've got a pink in every pack, though, right? Let's see what we're going to do here. We got a Ramondre Stevenson bronze. There we go, Pat. That's pretty sweet. Myles Garrett, Action All Pros. And Dolphins got a Jalen Waddle. Pink Optic. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's a nice one. And Devonta Smith. Okay, so nice pack there, kids. Kitty Purdy. We got the trifecta of hits there. That's a little justice. Okay. Who's next? Thank you. Leonard Fournette to start us off. Way to end his career. Is this a Devonta Smith auto? Boom, boom! There we go, Eagles. This is like the third Devonta Smith auto we have pulled. This is the third Devonta Smith auto we have pulled out of Megas. Nice hit, Eagles. He is by far the most common auto we have pulled. And it's obviously a really good rookie auto, too. So, that works out well. So, nice hit there, Eagles. Doing the spice. Can't say we never gave you nothing. Yeah, he shoots, he scores. What's up now? Alright, well, I'm glad we could do that. Feels fantastical. The rest of that pack, we got a Testaverde, Elite, Daz Newsome, pink. I believe he got cut, but let's still get his pink optic in there. Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions. Okay. Definitely a good mega. You know, I don't know. Couple 4, 5 hits coming out. Pretty good. Last pack in the mega. Let's see what we're going to do. Red Hot Rookies. Kyle Trask. That's cool. There you go. Bucks. Josh Palmer. Got the pink optic. There you go, Chadges. Greg Newsome. There you go, Mike. He deferred. Okay. Alright, nice first mega. Let's bust up into the second mega. Megalicious. Rare. Gimme. Security. Don't you be stealing my mega. Alright, first pack of mega number 2. What you gonna do? Hey, Brady Ferv. Oh, what's this? Oh! Here we go, box! Okay, this is a cubic out of this world Tom Brady. Look at that. Numbered 28 out of 50. Cubic. Tom Brady. Woo! These cubics are my favorite. Look at it. They have like the GameCube hologram. Is that not the coolest ever? Oh, that is amazing. Oh, look at that. Pachoo! And it's out of this world, too. Yeah. That's some justice right there. 28 out of 50. Sweet. Cubic. That felt fantastic. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. That is some sweet justice. Nice. Front, center, play. Nice. Woo! Oh, that's a good one. That got me feeling good. We got Jerome Bettis, Legends. And then Khalil Herbert. There we go. Pink Optic. Da Bears. Tommy Tremble. Kid DePreater. I like Khalil Herbert better than Justin Fields. Myself. You know, now that the season has progressed, this guy right here is very valuable for the Bears. I mean, he plays every game. He's now that what's his name's back though, we'll have to see, I suppose. Montgomery or what's his name? Anderson? Shut up. All right, who's next? Zach Wilson. There we go, Jets. Gridiron King rookie. Doing Despise. Rack it up. Dwayne Eskridge is the pink optic. There you go. Hawks. And Jeremiah Owosu Karamoa. Jock. There you go, Mike. He's a good rookie for sure. For the Browns. Alright. Getting all the key rookies. Need to get Trevor Lawrence, I believe. And, what's his name? Jamar Chase. Dallas Goedert to start off this one. Montana. Justin Herbert, 91 Donruss throwback. The Chargers. Another Elijah Vera Tucker. Optic for the Jets. Des Fitzpatrick. Titans. Kid DePreater. Like those, eh? Zay. Got a DeAndre Swift, bronze, press proof. Retro, John Elway. Jacob Harris is the optic on the Rams. And Christian Darrisaw, Vikings. Stud lineman. It's too bad linemen aren't worth much. Really. Because those guys work hard. And it's fun to watch the real good guys. Like Tristan Wirfs. He's my favorite. It's fun to watch those guys. Who is this? Eric Stokes. Cornerback for the Packers. Bronze. We got a Mahomes Dominators. Just the base. Tyson Campbell, optic again. And Jarrett Patterson. Kid DePreater. Hey, TJ got a Justin Jefferson. Kyle Trask auto. So there we go, Bucks. Bucks are doing well. So Bucks got a Tom Brady cubic. And you got a Kyle Trask auto. So Kyle Trask just waiting to show his worth. Put him in. Is he ever going to play, though? I mean, and look at his form. Right next to TB12. It's very similar form. Very similar form kids. I mean, TB12 is a little more open. He doesn't have the hee-hee hand either, but very similar. Oh, yeah, we do need a Trey Lance. Mills. Oh, yeah, Davis Mills. True. Thanks for reminding me. I forgot about those guys. Garoppolo, man, he's good. Trey Lance. I wonder what's going to happen. He does come in regardless, but Garoppolo's good. So Chase Claypool, elite. Look at the cut. They like cut right over the letters. That's so miscut. Yeah, all right, Casey. I will do my best. We got another Landon Dickerson. Optic, and then TJ got a Kellen Mond. We do collect the Amir Smith-Marsetts and the Kellen Monds. I don't think really got into the Darasauce. But TJ said he's really good. I know he started not very long ago for his first game and did pretty well, so... Red Hot Rookie Trey Lance. What's up now? There we go, Niners. Oh! Spicy. There we go. There we go. Sweet. Out of the Cellos, they would come White Hot Rookies. So the Red Hot Rookies are... They've got to be more rare if they're coming out of Megas. That's sweet. All right, cool. There you go, Niners. And Fins. One more again. Jalen Waddle Optic. You got another one. Another one. Sweet. Oh, Bengals. I thought that was Jamar Chase, but Chris Evans. Pretty good as well. Good to pretty. All right. So that was pretty good mega as well. So let's see what our finale gives us. For the final shebang. Did I case up Khalil Herbert? Nice. I cased up Khalil Herbert right away. That's how much I like that guy. Okay. So, mega number 3. Let's do this. Brew this. Best of luck, kids. Last box of the break. Last box mojo. Let's get some justice. Need a nice Allen. Hey, there's TJ. TJ's on vacation right now in Florida. Living the life down there. So, of course, in Iowa, you know, it's tropical as well. So, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. But first pack of the last mega. Alright, we're going for a Christian McCaffrey downtown. Let's see what we can do here. We did get a Lamar Jackson Vortex. Sweet. There we go, Ravens. The base Vortex. Lamar Jackson. That's cool. Let's see here. We got a Levante David, the champ is here. Hunter Long Optic for the Fins. And Seth Williams is the rookie. Yeah. TJ says he misses the tropical Iowa landscape. Jackie. Oh. What? TJ says he misses the tropical Iowa landscape.
Oh, yeah. Like that.
Yes, with all those stupid palm trees down there and stupid ocean and stuff. I mean, I don't know. We got corn up here and like dirt. I don't know what's wrong with you. See what we're going to do here. What's this? Oh, what's this? Here goes the downtown, kids. What it is. Alvin Kamara, downtown. Woo! There we go, Saints. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Spicy. Anybody on the broadcast have the Saints? Alvin Kamara. Downtown Justice. Nice hit, kids. That is sweet. Whoo! That is awesome. This is the first downtown. That's you, Jason? All right. Way to go, Jason. First downtown I've pulled. TJ pulled one. TJ, who did you pull? I forgot. Let's get those musical guys. That's cool. I love downtowns. Sweet. Doesn't say prism anywhere on the back. That's interesting. I mean, it is a downtown prism. But, sweet. Way to go, Saints. That is awesome. Glad we could pull that for you. I'll get that shipped out to you on Monday. That's awesome. Wow. What a break, guys. Alright. We did get a Dwayne Eskridge portrait for the Hawks. Najee Harris optic. There we go. Steelers coming at ya. Spicy. And a Kyle Trask. Keep it pretty. Awesome. Way to go, Jason. That is exhilarating. So, hopefully it feels great for you as well. That's like a lot of the reason that I do what I do is to pull cards like that. So, yeah, it feels fantastical. Do enjoy that. So, glad we could get that out of there. Akeem Hicks, bronze press proof. Travis Kelce, 91 Donruss throwback. Jabril Cox, Cowboys, optic rookie. Pank. Shi Smith, Panthers, rookie. Michael Thomas got the bronze press proof. Davis Mills makes his appearance with an elite rookie. There we go, Texans. Got him on the board. Broncos, Javonte Williams, optic. There you go. That's nice. And another Davis Mills. So, Texans, we were talking about getting Davis Mills on the board, and we got a couple right quick. Kid DePruder. So, that's what we do. Let's put these cased ones there. Yeah, I have no real organization game plan. Just kind of displaying the main ones that I see. I will upload the video to YouTube. And at the end, I will do a review of all the hits as well. What it is now, what it is. George Kittle, represent Iowa Hawkeyes. Bronze. Aaron Rodgers, 91 Donruss, throwback. Tylan Wallace is the optic. And Patrick Surtain, the second. Broncos rookie. Couple packs yet. Shaquille Barrett is the autograph for the Bucks. Wow. So the Bucks got 2 autographs and a cubic. Tom Brady. So nice hit there, Bucks. Shaquille Barrett, signature marks, is your auto for the Bucks. That's auto number 3. So we did get our 3 autos. And we really got a couple extra nuggets, too, with that Mac Jones and that Tom Brady Revolution. I know they say Revolutions are in there, but numbered ones are super rare. I'm pretty sure. So, Chase Young, highlights. Micah Parsons, Cowboys, optic. And Chuba Hubbard, Panthers, rookie. Kid Porter. Last pack of the get. See what we're going to do. And then we'll do a review. Hey, Justin Fields, one more again. We did get the rookie. So there you go. Da Bears. Got you another Justin Fields. So that's Justin Fields number 2. Kyle Pitts, optic. Falcons. All right. So this is the second Kyle Pitts. We got the portrait and the optic. Kyle Pitts, way to go, Falcons. Nice. And the Mafia. Got another Greg Rousseau. Doubles. All right, so give me just a moment here, guys. I'll do a review of the hits. Like I say, next weekend we will be coming back at you with Donruss Holiday Football and then Absolute Football as well. I don't know why I cased up the Khalil Herbert optic right away, but must have been happy about it. Okay, so wow. What a break, guys. I'd say Panini did us right. So we did get the cubic out of this world Tom Brady Revolution insert. I guess it doesn't say Revolution, so maybe Out of This World is not Revolution, but it's cubic, so I think so. And it's numbered 28 out of 50. So what up now? There you go, Bucks, nice hit. And we'll line up the Bucks hits on this back wall because you got a few. The Shaquille Barrett auto signature marks for the Bucks, and the Kyle Trask rated rookie bronze auto for the Bucks as well. Now, the Eagles coming on through with a Devonta Smith auto. Bronze. Does it say press proof? No, just bronze. And, really the hit of the break, obviously, is the Alvin Kamara Downtown for the Saints. Fantastic break, guys. And those are just the Insta-case hits. And we did get quite a few additional hits. We got a Lamar Jackson Vortex, Mac Jones Rookie Revolution, Kyle Pitts Portrait, Justin Fields base, Najee Harris Blue, Devonta Smith base, the Rookies Justin Fields, Kyle Pitts Optic, Davis Mills Elite, Javonte Williams Optic, Davis Mills base, Najee Harris Optic, Red Hot Rookies Trey Lance, Jalen Waddle Optic, Zach Wilson, Gridiron Kangs, Ramondre Stevenson, Bronze, Jalen Waddle, Optic, Adafe Owe, base, Pat Freiermuth, base, Khalil Herbert, Optic. All right, guys. Great break. Got a lot of great cards out. Felt fantastic. Check back to the store. Generational Breaks will be coming back at you next weekend with Optic Basketball, as well as Absolute Football and Donruss Holiday Football. But that's all I got, kids. You can always message me on the Facebook group page as well. My name's Tommy Ayers. Just click on my name and stuff. But that's all I got. I'll upload this video, and I'll get these wrapped up nice and tight. That's the break.